So welcome to my channel, and for this video I'll be teaching you how to get any domain name of your choice. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. I'll head over to my browser and I'll search through host. So I'll click on this first link here. I'll leave this link in the video description. So what you need to do is you click on register, this register button here. So after filling in your details, so I'll click on register, click on no thanks. Then it takes us to this dashboard. So here you can see we have 0 services, 0 domains, 0 unpaid invoice, 0 tickets. What you need to do next is we'll be searching for the domain which you want to purchase. I already have mine, so just click on domain. So I'll click on register a new domain. So here it says find your new domain name. You search for the domain name which you want to purchase. So I already have mine. I just need to search for the name. So mine is simplextutorials.top. So you just hit on this search button. Then you wait. Oh, you can see it's available. Simplextutorials.top is available, and they are selling this particular domain name for 2,468 naira. So I'll click on add to cart. Come to our view carts. You can see it has been added to our cart. So all what you just need to do is just to make your payment. So I'll just scroll down, then I'll click on I have read and agree to terms and conditions. And for my payment method, I want to use this other one, this second one. Just click on checkout. So as you can see, you have one unpaid invoice. Just click on pay now, then you click on transfer. So here is the bank name, the account number, the amount. I'll pause this video and I'll make this transfer. After making the payment, you get this screen. The transfer is on the way. Just wait for it to load. So you can see payment successful. You can see order placed. Okay, so just click on continue to client area, then click on domain. You can see we have successfully purchased our domain name. Just wait for the status to change from pending to active. Now that you have gotten your domain name, you're just one step away from getting your website online. In the next video, I'll show you how to choose the best hosting domain and walk you through the setup process. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.